Hey everybody, Josh here, and today I want to go over and show you how to build a landing page targeting sellers. So first thing is you'll log into the backend of your website. You can do so by simply scrolling down to the very bottom and finding that login link. Now I'm already in the dashboard here, so first to find your landing pages, they're going to be found along the left-hand side here. So we're going to go ahead and click on landing pages, and we're just going to go to add new to start a new one. Now, first thing we need to do is decide what our title is going to be. This is not seen by the public, but it is important for you in deciding not only the name of the URL, but also so you know what page we are working on. So for sellers, we're going to do what is my home worth and she's in San Diego, California. I do recommend the city and state. That way we make sure we're getting the right people here. Now, the next step here is I want to go ahead and choose our form first. Now, it's going to default to iHome Finder. You're going to simply click there and go to landing page home worth, and that'll be the one you want to choose for your seller landing page. Next is our header. This goes to the very top of our form here. So we can do something like this, thinking about selling your home in San Diego, and a question mark. Next will be our subheading. That'll go right below our header, a little bit smaller font. So a couple variations: get a professional evaluation of your home from me, get a free market analysis on your home, get access to all the recent homes that have been sold. Any one of these is totally fine. So I'm going to do get a free market analysis on your home. Next is if I want to choose a background color or a background photo. I always recommend the background photo. Just looks nicer and more appealing than just a color. So let's go ahead here and let's choose a nice image for our background. Really up to you. I'm going to use this nice kitchen here. But you can use a scenic shot, a home shot, interior, exterior, doesn't matter. And these can always be changed later. Next is I'm going to format this correctly so when I post this to my Facebook business page or anywhere that it is saying everything I want it to be saying. So first is you want to scroll down, and I'm going to copy this header first before I do so. And I'm going to scroll down here to my Yoast SEO section, and I'm going to click on Edit Snippet right here. I'm going to put my mouse where my SEO title is right here and just delete what was currently there and paste in my thinking about selling your home line. And I'm going to go back up once more, and I'm going to copy my subheading. So this line right here, copy that, and again scroll back down. I'm going to paste it here in my meta description. And that's strictly just for Facebook or any social media, so that way it reads the way I'd like it. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. Our final step is our on submit redirect to URL section that I skipped earlier. All this means is once they're done filling out this landing page, where are you taking them? Where are you sending them? So this can be the home page. This could be seller tips if you're doing it for sellers, buyers for buyers. Ideally, though, if you can, and your MLS allows you to, I would send them to sold listings of the area that you are targeting. So let's see if we can do that here. Let's go to View Site, and I'll show you how you'll be able to tell. I'm going to go to the property search here on the main menu. And you're actually going to see here there's a status option, and there is a sold. So I'm going to first put in my area, so San Diego. I'll include house and condos here for this one. I'm going to bubble in sold, and I'm going to hit search. Here are all my results, all of the recent homes that have sold in the San Diego area. And all I'm simply going to do is copy the link at the very top for this page, go back to my landing page, and just paste it right there. Now let's go ahead and click publish. Once it's done publishing, you'll see a link here to check out your landing page. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like. But here you go. Nice little form here, my header, my subheading, again my form, my background picture, and then once they are done, they are going to be sent to the sold listings that we got from the website earlier. So this is a great tool to utilize in your CRM if you have a drip campaign, or Facebook is a great one for this as well. As many options with landing pages. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and take care, everybody.